Hello and welcome. This is Professor Spark, and in this video I'm going to provide you with a brief orientation to the Blackboard course. All of the course requirements can be found in Blackboard. I will post a separate video for a full discussion on the syllabus and course requirements, so you'll also want to watch that video. But this video is just going to provide you with an orientation of where to access information in this course. So you'll notice that the menu is on the left-hand side and it's broken into 3 chunks. The top area is where you will spend most of your time. The middle section is where you can find course information, including the syllabus, my contact information, and your grades. In the bottom area is all of your tech support. So if you forget your password, if you can't get something to work, you'll find all the support links on the bottom part of the menu. But this orientation is going to focus on this top area. So every week I will provide at least 2 announcements to keep you on task. So there are 2 due dates each week in this course. Because it's an accelerated course, we are going to complete 2 chapters per week, or on exam weeks you will complete 1 chapter and 1 exam. The announcements will keep you up to date. Course materials is where you will complete all of your coursework. The first time that you access the course materials, you will find just the course orientation. You'll want to go ahead and open that and complete these 6 steps. Here, you'll find the Blackboard video that you're watching. You'll be able to access the syllabus, watch a video on just what the course requirements are of the syllabus and calendar, register for the Wiley Plus homework system. So in this course, you're required to purchase the book or an ebook and the homework management system. You can do that by buying the book in the bookstore, and it comes with a code, or you can buy a code for $85 with the ebook directly on this website. And third, you can start a complimentary free 2-week trial. In order to do that, you just click on this Wiley Plus homepage. Number 5, you'll complete the orientation survey. It's considered a test, but really it's not a test. This is a way for me to get to know you and your needs, and for you to confirm that you've actually looked at the syllabus. So it's just 8 simple questions. And then at the end, you will introduce yourself to your classmates on discussion board. So once you've completed the course orientation, you'll go back to course materials, and you'll see Unit 1 populate. After you take the Unit 1 exam, you will find Unit 2 populating, and so on and so forth. Here you can click on any chapter, and you will find access to the chapter reading material, handouts, homework, quiz, and other resources. So each week you'll come in and complete 2 chapters worth of coursework, and it can all be found here in Blackboard. In addition, you'll find a link to the discussion board because you will be expected to post to discussion board twice per week. You can do that anytime during the week. So again, there's 2 due dates, Thursdays and Mondays. So if you want to get your posting out of the way both on Thursdays, that's fine. And then finally, you'll have 5-minute videos. These are an extra resource that we just wanted to call out because at any time during the course, maybe you need a refresher on how to do an application. So we wanted to give you access to these videos at any point in time, and you can see there's a whole list of them. So Unit 1, Chapters 1, 2, 3, and 4, these are about 5-minute long videos that give you a quick overview of how to do these different items. Once we've completed about a week or 2, I will also post an exam in exam resources folder. So I wanted to get you guys started before I post that, but the exams will be a separate folder here too. So that should give you a pretty good overview of how to navigate through the Blackboard course. If you want more information, or I encourage you to learn more information about the course by reviewing the second video that focuses on the syllabus and calendar. Thanks for watching, and as always, please reach out to me if you have any questions. Have a great day.